Blessings, everyone. I pray everyone's well. It's just a blessing. I'm back with another video. I hope that everyone is killing their goals this month. It is March, and it's very, oh, I'm putting these earrings on wrong. Wow. So sorry, y'all. Still early in the morning. But I'm just really excited for this season and what it's gonna bring. So I really hope everyone is working on their goals and getting things done. I was supposed to take my hair out today, record me taking out my braids. However, I've decided not to take my braids out. So I'm gonna take them, I'm gonna wash them when I get home from work. My scalp was just feeling a little irritated, and I was like, why take these out, wear them for 2 days, and then have to wash them? Don't make no sense. And then have to sit there and do the whole thing. So I am going to wash, sorry, there's clearly sirens in the outside. But I'm going to wash these when I get home, and then I'm gonna let them air dry. Hopefully they're dry by the weekend. So today I am just going to put it in a bun. Don't this make that people want a bun? I know those are not the words, but that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pull my hair back, and I know that there's a lot of frizz. That's okay. That's okay. Frizz is okay. Frizz is a part of life. Frizz is a part of life. So now I'm just going to wrap it around. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Tuck in those little ends. That's it. That's how I'm gonna go to work. Most of the time I would just wear them in a pony, but this is also a way to professionally style your hair for the day. Pull it back. You know, if you want to put a little bit of water on top, you know, kind of slick down the ends, you can. I'm not gonna lay my edges, so I'm just gonna go to work like this. So I just washed my hair while it was in braids, and I just tried a new product, and I wanted to show you all the products and give you my honest thoughts, opinions, while I still have thoughts and opinions off the top of my dome. So let me grab the shampoo. Okay, so I know the bottles are a little wet. Sorry about that. Sorry, hold on one second. My bad. Okay, so this is Clara Essentials. And so I stumbled upon this brand at the event that I was at. With Shopify, Black-owned businesses. I hope y'all can see this. I don't know why it's not clearing up. And so I'm gonna put the leave-in conditioner in. So I used the shampoo, and this formula is for dry, irritated scalp, and it's their soothing formula. I'm not gonna lie, my scalp feels soothed. It does. And then I went in with their mango moisturizing conditioner. My hair definitely feels very hydrated. So I'm gonna just put in some leave-in. Stuff also smells really good. It smells like ice cream. It smells like ice cream. So the texture is not super duper thick for this leave-in. So I'm just gonna put this in. And I'm gonna put some extra on the ends. I'm gonna use a lot. hair smells really good. Smells good. And so I'm gonna let this dry. I'm probably gonna let it air dry. Hopefully it dries by Saturday. Today is Wednesday. It's Wednesday. So hopefully this dries by then. And I'll let y'all know how my braid out turns out when I do take it out. So yes, and I'm very excited because I'm just really hyped. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. God is good. So I'm gonna quickly just do my nighttime routine because you already know that's a thing. And so I'm gonna be using Clinique's Even Better, it's like their dark spot treatment, because y'all know I got hyperpigmentation. I need to use my toner. I use Witch Hazel Toner Facial Mist. So I'm gonna start with this. Keeps my skinny chick. Sometimes I will use a little bit of cotton and I'll just kind of wipe my skin. I'm sorry, it's a little cut off here. Just to get anything that's lingering off my skin. Off my skin. I'm just gonna aggressively put this on wherever I can see, which is not much because I don't have my glasses on. I don't have my glasses on. It's okay. I know. I think I can. Ooh, and some serum. I don't know if anyone else uses the Queendom Aesthetics. This stuff is bomb. They have a lot of really amazing products. I've been using their stuff for a while. You just tell it's natural. You can just tell. It's got all the things that I need. I'm gonna rub this in. Okay, and also gonna be using Queendom, their beauty cream, because this stuff's also bomb. Thebomb.com. It's thebomb.com. So in the summertime, it usually melts. And that's always fun for me. So now I'm feeling hydrated, clean. My hands. And that's gonna be it. So I just put my hair in a t-shirt and just popped it up because I do have some more work to do tonight, and you know, I don't like when my hair is dripping all over my back. So I am going to, I haven't said, Ruby hasn't said hi in a long time. You didn't say hi? Smelling me. But yes, so I'm done now. I'm gonna go get some work done. I have Bible study tonight. But I just pray everyone has a blessed day. Like, subscribe, comment down below for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, say bye, Ro. Okay, he said bye.